everyone here together.
What are you doing?
Aurora, you need to live a little.
You said that you wanted to do yoga. This doesn't look like yoga to me.
It looks a lot like swimming, doesn't it? Come on, the water's great.
I dressed for yoga. I'm not getting this stuff wet.
Take it off then. There's no one around for miles.
Did you really think this was gonna work?
What?
This whole thing that you're doing.
I don't know. Worth a try, isn't it?
Oh, was it?
Hey, no. What? Really?
Yeah, really.
Come on. You know we had something back there.
I didn't say we didn't.
So what's all this then?
If you want to make a move, make a move. Just don't waste my time with this high school bullshit.
Well, that's good news because I hated high school and this was my move.
Take it easy there, Tiger. You blew your chance this time.
Sorry. What's going on here then? Am I missing something?
I'm still gonna go to the lookout to stretch myself out a little bit. Why don't you come find me when you're done your swim and maybe you can stretch me out a little more?
Well, you're full of surprises, aren't you?
Don't wear yourself out in there.